Hey diamonds, so in this video I'm going to show you the process of me creating and shipping out my custom logo orders for my clients. Before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. Excuse my desk, I'm in the middle of redoing it and organizing it stuff, but I haven't done it yet. After I get done editing the logo stickers for my client, and they are saved on my flash drive. As you can see, they look like this. If I had a printer at home, I would just go ahead and print it on the sticker paper that I have here, but I just take it to Office Depot and let them print it because their printers are amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and package everything into the envelope. My client already gave me her address, so I can actually create the PayPal shipping label for it already. Custom logo sticker package. So what I would have in the package is 2 sheets, a coupon for the second order, thank you card, which looks like this. Thank you for your purchase, it's greatly appreciated. Don't forget to tag us on our social media, Shop JLS Diamond, Jamequa Stevens, and yeah. So now I'm just gonna put that in here. This goes on the outside package, so I'm gonna put this over here. So I put everything in the bag like I'm about to ship it off, and now I'm gonna weigh it so I can create the shipping label. Then I'm gonna go to Office Depot, get those printed, and then I could just drop it off. So see, it's on 2.2 ounces. So now I just put the information in. It'll ask me my preferences on shipping, how much it weighs, and then I'm going to come back when I create the label. Okay, so this is what the label looks like. I covered up my information, my customer's information, because, you know, privacy reasons. So it says United States Postal Service and PayPal. So basically all I have to do once the sheets have been printed on is put the label on the package like so, and it'll be ready to ship off.
Thank you. Have a good one.